Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is success. Are you ready to blow up? Are you ready to be the superstar that you are? Show up and show out every day, because there's nothing stopping you. Nothing is in your way. Only you. Do not let doubt be the killer. Let nothing kill your drive to be successful, and for your freedom and for your gifts to actually be able to shine in this world. You work too hard and you come too far to stop now, and you're way too talented to keep it just for yourself. I grow and I thrive in the universe. I discover the purity of my heart and the higher wisdom that guides me towards victory. You've won. Stay consistent. Come on. I direct my thoughts towards clarity, nurture wisdom, love, and goodness that is within me, and I'm free. And I succeed in my life. Get ready to blow up. It's your moment. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.